Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage big data with Cloudera, complete guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a clear understanding of what big data is. Big data refers to data sets that are so large or complex that traditional data processing applications cannot handle them. Next, familiarize yourself with Cloudera's platform and its features. Cloudera provides a comprehensive suite of tools for data management, storage, and analytics. Begin by installing Cloudera distribution including Apache Hadoop, known as CDH. Choose a suitable environment for the installation, such as on-premises or cloud-based. Download the Cloudera installer from the official website. Follow the installation wizard instructions to set up the environment. Once installed, access the Cloudera Manager interface. Log in with the credentials you created during installation. Now, create a new cluster to manage your data effectively. Choose the appropriate components like HDFS, YRN, and Hive based on your data requirements. Configure the services according to your organization's needs. After configuration, start the cluster and monitor its health in Cloudera Manager. Next, upload your datasets to HDFS, Cloudera's distributed file system. Use the web interface to drag and drop files or utilize the command line for advanced operations. Once your data is in HDFS, organize it into directories for easier management. Now, let's move on to data processing. Utilize Apache Spark for efficient data analytics. Create Spark jobs to transform and analyze your data as needed. You can also use Apache Hive for SQL-like querying on large datasets. Write Hive queries to gain insights from your data. Implement authentication and access controls using Kerberos or Apache Ranger. Regularly monitor and optimize your cluster for performance. Use Cloudera Manager's tools to view metrics and logs. As your data needs grow, consider scaling your cluster. Add more nodes to handle larger volumes and increase processing power. Finally, stay updated with Cloudera's documentation and community resources. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.